Yo, 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 what's good? What's good? If you don't know, I'm Skxppy, and welcome back to another video. I don't know why my head doing that. But today, I'm putting y'all on to how to make dark melodies. It's my favorite kind of melody, and honestly, they're being used a lot now in trap, drill, so why not put you onto something that you're gonna have to use? So let's get to it.
Take forever.
Alright, cool. So, we got FL Studio open, and I'm going to hold on. Let me get this under my foot. You know what's been happening lately? I gotta get a chair because my suitcase is getting stuck on wires and it's starting to blow mine. But anyways, we opened up FL Studio. I'm gonna teach you how to make dark melodies. The first thing that I have to say before I even touch anything, touch. I just had to do it because I said I wasn't going to. But the first thing I'm gonna do is put y'all onto the type of chords that melodies, like the type of chords that go with dark melodies. When you're trying to make dark melodies, you would like to use minor chords. A minor chord, what is that, you might ask? Well, this is that. Say if I wanted like a C minor, if I wanted a C minor, what I would do is go here on the C. After that, I count a whole step. Oh, I didn't even explain what a whole step was, huh? You might ask, what is a whole step? A whole step is basically you going over one note. So you have C, you have C sharp, and then you have D. We would skip C sharp, go straight to D. Now is the half step. So with the half step, all you gotta do is go to the next one. So a whole step you skip, half step you don't skip. Pretty simple. Now I'm gonna fill out the rest of the rest. Now I'm gonna fill out the rest of these, and while I do that, you'll probably see the whole step, half step method on the screen. Word.
Whole step, half step, whole step.
So, boom. Now we have a C minor scale. As you can see, it goes from C to D sharp to F to G sharp to A sharp to C again, and it's gonna keep repeating. That's how you make a C minor. Now, this is the scale. This is not the chord. The scale shows you what notes can be played that sound good together. The chord is the actual notes playing together in a harmony, making a sound. I said that shit lit as fuck. I know. Hey. So this is what a can you move so I can show the people? Word. So this is how it sounds. Pretty cool chord. So yeah, very simple chord. Just have to put y'all onto that information before I got into actually making it, because if I didn't, you would be lost. But now I'm gonna make it.
Take forever.
Alright, let's see what I could turn this into. Let's do C. Now, I'm not speaking Spanish. Actually, I am speaking Spanish. Yes, nigga, go. Alright, pussy. Alright, cool. So I finished the chords. Let me scroll up a little bit to show you what they look like. But the chords is in the C major scale. I'm not gonna go too deep into it because you have the scale to show you. Oh, stop. Also, another tool, if you ever need to like quickly make a scale instead of actually counting it, you can just click this little circle up here that has the 3 dashes, and like you can pick the scale that you want. Like right here, boom, scales. They got like minor melodic scales, minor harmonic. They got the major scales. They got the dominant scales, the Neapolitan scales. They got the whole tune. Alright, and then they also have chords, so you could do that as well, but that's not as fun. That's scales, nigga. Dragon scales, nah. Anyways, didn't they have to find the dragon scales in that show too? I feel like they did. It's weird. The root note is C. What I like to do is I like to re-emphasize the root note an octave lower just to add that depth. Word. So this is it, and I'm gonna show you how it sounds. I made the melody by accident. Alright, cool. So my computer was wilding, so I couldn't record me making a melody, but I made it. This is what the melody looks like. It's still on the C scale. Cause you gotta stay in the scale when you're making a beat. You feel me? You can't go off scale if you want to. That's up to you. But for me, I don't do that. Anyways, so we got a little trickle down. You know, it's a nice little melody with the bells just to help bring out the emotion in that. Yo, mind y'all, I'm making beats like a snail right now. Like when I tell you, bro, it take me like an hour to make a beat. That's to take like 5 minutes, bro. Cause my system, yo, let's go. Bro. Oh, so this is how it sounds. I wish I knew how it sounded, whether it was cool or not, but it's not. I mean, but I can't because it's chucha. Why I look like alfalfa? Put alfalfa here. So I hope y'all learned how to make dark melodies, but more importantly enough, I hope y'all learned the tools of how to make melodies. The minors, doing the whole steps and half steps, or just going up to the top with the circle with the 3 dashes and using that for the scale. Word. Alright, so I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. Peace. I got this one. Yeah. I hope you don't hate me after I go. You were the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go, cause you're the one who changed me. I hope